Good day, guys. This is Mr. Prince Maths and Science class, and in this video I'm going to be explaining the topic difference of two squares. And the difference of two squares is a special algebraic pattern where one perfect square is subtracted from another, and it can be written in the form of a squared minus b squared. Okay, and if we want to break down a squared minus b squared, it can be written as a minus b into a plus b. And now let me prove that. I'm going to prove that a squared minus b squared is the same thing as a minus b into a plus b. When we expand it, a times a gives us a squared, a times b gives us plus ab, minus b times a is minus ab, minus b times plus b will give us minus b squared. So plus ab and minus ab will cross out to give 0, right? And therefore we can say that a squared minus b squared is the same thing as a minus b into a plus b. Okay, and the following are not examples of difference of two squared. For example, we have x squared plus 9. Okay, x squared plus 9 is not a difference of two squared. If we add x squared minus 9, yeah, we can get difference of two squared. That will be x minus 3 and x plus 3. Okay, but in this case we cannot get difference of two squared because the two terms have to be separated by a minus sign, and then both of them have to be like perfect squares. Like the square root of 9 is 3, right? So another example is, let's say x squared minus 8. X squared minus 8 cannot be an example of the difference of two squares because 8 is not a perfect square. Okay, if for example, let's say we add x squared minus 4, then that one can be broken into x minus 2 into x plus 2. Okay, so that will be this answer for this one. So I'm gonna do some examples, and the first example will be x squared minus 16. So we know that the square root of 16 is 4, right? 4 squared, that's 4 times 4 will give us 16. So we can write it out as x squared minus 4 squared, right? Like I said, this number here must be a perfect square. This one is already a perfect square. You already know that the square root of x squared will be x. So x squared minus 4 squared, when you break it down further, you get x minus 4 and x plus 4. Okay, and like I said in the beginning, that the difference of two squares is always separated by a minus in between the two terms. Okay, and number 2, example 2, we have 9y squared minus 25. Okay, so in this case we have this. We can find the square root of 9 and we can find the square root of 25. So we can just break it down to 3 squared y squared minus 5 squared. So it can be broken down into 3, or we can write it for like this: 3y squared minus 5 squared. Okay, so when we break it down, we get 3y minus 5 into 3y plus 5. Okay, and number 3, example 3 is 4b squared minus 49a squared. 4b squared minus 49a squared. Okay, so this one can be written as 2 squared. This one can be written as 2 squared b squared minus 7 squared a squared. Okay, and it can also be written like this: 2b all squared minus 7a all squared. Okay, it makes it less confusing. So then our final answer will be 2b minus 7a into 2b plus 7a. Okay, so that's the answer for that. Number 4, we have 16m squared minus n raised to power 4. Okay, so this n raised to power 4 can still be written as n squared. Okay, by the laws of logarithm, we know that this one inside will multiply. This is the power law in logarithm, alright, exponential law. So so n squared is the same thing as n raised to power 4. So now let's break it down. So this will be 4m squared all squared minus n squared. Okay, so the final answer will be 4m minus n squared into 4m plus n squared. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more example before I wrap up this video. Number 5, we have x raised to power 4 minus 81. Okay, so we can write x squared just like n raised to power 4 is similar, minus 9 squared. Okay, so we can write it as s squared minus 9 into x squared plus 9. And I believe somebody can notice that this one is also can also be broken down into another difference of 2 squared. This is a difference of 2 squared because 9 is a perfect square, right? So if we break it down further, x raised to s squared minus 9 can be broken into x minus 3 into x plus 3, right? And then we can write x squared plus 9 by the side. S squared plus 9. Sorry. S squared plus 9. Okay. So that will be the final answer for x raised to power 4 minus 81. So that's it for this video. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you understood difference of 2 square. Make sure you like, comment. If you have any question, make sure you drop it in the comment section and share this video. Peace out.